Hello, everybody. I was looking at something for motivation today, and I looked at this and I thought, this is it. This is perfect. These little eyes of these little babies looking at you. You have six pairs of eyes looking at you. Them telling you got this, and you do have this because you know what? We can do anything we want to do. And when we have our little animal friends with us and knowing that we can do anything we want with whatever time we have, it is a great feeling. I miss our little girl that we used to have, but seeing these little faces of these little ones made me think about that again and how nice it is to have a little face to come home to sometimes. So you have got this, whatever is happening.